Mr. Ford has 125 cupcakes. Mr. Armstrong has 69 cupcakes. How many cupcakes must Mr. Ford give Mr. Armstrong so that they will have an equal number of cupcakes? So let's start with Ford, Armstrong, alright, so Mr. Ford has 125 cupcakes. Mr. Armstrong had 69. Okay. How many does Mr. Ford need to give to Mr. Armstrong so they both have the same amount? So let's start by finding out how many more Mr. Ford has. So we've got our total, 125, and we're taking away 69 because that's the same amount Mr. Armstrong has. Um, 15, take away 9 is 6. 11, take away 11 tens, take away 6 tens is 5 tens. So Mr. Ford has 56 more than Mr. Armstrong. So Mr. Ford needs to give some to Mr. Armstrong. He needs to give half of the extra to Mr. Armstrong so that they would then have the same amount. Could have kept going a little bit further. So how many would he need to give to Mr. Armstrong so they have the same amount? So half of 56. Two, 1 remainder, 8. Would need to give 28 cupcakes to Mr. Armstrong so they would both have the same amount.